Hello there. In this video, we are going to talk about three things about the hard drive repair and data recovery. 1. Hard drive cable connector repair. 2. PCB firmware transfer. 3. Hard drive data recovery. 4 steps to repair the broken cable connector of a hard drive. 1. Desolder and remove the broken cable connector. 2. Prepare a good, exactly same cable connector. 3. Solder the good cable connector onto the board. 4. Test the whole hard drive. 2 steps to clone a hard drive printed circuit board. 1. Go to hddparts.com to find an identical donor PCB. 2. Do the firmware transfer. What is the hard drive printed circuit board firmware transfer and why? 1. One hard drive PCB includes 2 parts: the hardware components and the firmware. The firmware is also called BIOS, the data inside of the chip. 2. The firmware includes hardware's unique configuration data. The hard drive needs this unique configuration data to work. So, we have to transfer this unique configuration data from the original board to the donor board. Then the donor board can work on the original hard drive. We call this as the hard drive printed circuit board firmware transfer. The 3 things regarding the hard drive printed circuit board firmware transfer. 1. The printed circuit board firmware transfer is different from the hard drive firmware upgrading. The printed circuit board firmware transfer is to transfer the printed circuit board firmware from one board to another board. 2. The hard drive firmware upgrading is to upgrade the hard drive's own firmware. It has nothing to do with another hard drive or another printed circuit board. 3. We can do the printed circuit board firmware transfer from the physically damaged printed circuit board, like burned, watered, or even other kind of damages. Our printed circuit board firmware transfer success rate is more than 95%. We do the printed circuit board firmware transfer for our clients for free. What will happen if we do not do the PCB firmware transfer? For most of the modern hard drives, if we put the donor PCB onto the hard drive without doing the PCB firmware transfer, the hard drive will spin, but the computer will not recognize the hard drive. The common symptoms of hard drive disk assembly failure are the following. 1. Hard drive makes weird sound. 2. Spin nicely, but no access to any computer. 3. Hard drive no spin. There are some simple ways to recover data from a hard drive. One of them is try to read the hard drive by different devices, like different external hard drive adapters, computers, or enclosures. Because different devices use different ways to read a hard drive, sometimes this trick works. Another way is swapping the hardware PCB board. Swapping the hardware PCB board can fix the problem caused by the PCB board. There is a cost in swapping the PCB board, but it is way cheaper than sending the hard drive to a data recovery firm. This picture shows how to use a fan to cool down the hard drive. Hard drive data recovery tools. Disk assembly repair tools. Disk assembly means disk heads, disks, and other hardware. Firmware repair tools. Hard drive firmware reside in the PCB and also on the disks. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch my video. Any comments are really appreciated. If this video is a little bit of help, could you please click on like to support me? Thank you again. Bye.